for the jacuzzi, for the power connection. The white one is the natural wire, the black one is the fire wire, and the blue one is the earth wire. And we connect. It connect with the pipe. The pipe send the air to the pump for the pipe. The pipe send the air to the pump. And on the transparent line at the top, at the bottom of the pump, it connect with the on-off, and we push the on-off, it will stop. And we push it again, it will stop. And for the faucet, this is the hanger, and it has the pipe connect with the water supplier. And when we start it,